VERI stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is Veritone stock a buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in this space having done 43,000 videos over 5 years. I'm not even exaggerating. It's all on my YouTube channel and still genuinely looking at VERI. I'm looking to double down on this like crazy. How this looks like and how, like, what do I mean when I say double down? I was looking to buy, went good, came down, break-evens got hit. With this in mind, it just now kind of wanting to consolidate. Unironically speaking, like, I want to have clarity, and if the price pulls down a bit lower and gives me confirmation, nothing is stopping me from doubling down on this yet again. You know what I mean? So all I will be doing in the meantime here is just still keep waiting for rules to be met, and if the rules are not met, then guess what? I'm not gonna just force trades. You know what I mean? So that's how VERI is looking like. It's not financial advice. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, then click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.